Ano ang mga dapat ituro sa mga empleyado para matuto about financial literacy? Answer, based sa experience ko friends as resource speaker ng mga seminar or webinar, may 5 topics po about financial literacy na dapat matutunan ng mga employees. Ano po ito? Number 1, budgeting. Number 2, savings for emergency fund. Number 3, debt management. Number 4, investing and earning at entrepreneurship. And number 5, financial protection. So, explain natin one by one. So, number 1, budgeting. Yes, friends, importante po na alam natin, no, ang mga employees, kung ano yung priority ninyo. Wants ba or needs? And of course, marunong kayong mag-budget sa pera ninyo. Kasi alam natin na may inflation at ang value ng peso natin ay maliit na at mahal na po yung bilihin. So need po natin na i-budget. So kailangan alam natin kung ano yung priority, ano yung importante, right? And number 2, savings for emergency fund. Yes, friends, importante sa mga employees. Mindful kayo sa emergency fund. Dapat may savings kayo 3 to 6 months na monthly expenses ninyo. In the event na wala kayong pera, meron kayong makukuha from emergency fund. Number 3, debt management. Yes, friends, may mga loans tayo, may mga utang tayo. I-manage po natin yan at marunong tayo magbayad, no? On time or before due date. Dapat aware tayo kung ano yung bad debt at ano yung good debt. Right? Number 4, investing and in earning at entrepreneurship. Dapat importante friends, meron tayong passive income. Hindi lang active income. Passive income, of course, from business yan or entrepreneurship. Dapat po, yung mga employees, meron kayong other sources of income. So mag-part-time business kayo while working. Yan po ang journey ninyo or mindset ninyo para meron kayong financial literacy. And number 5, financial protection. Dapat meron kayong insurance or insurances para protected kayo sa family mo, kung ano man mangyari. Kasi yan po yung isang indicator if mindful kayo sa insurances, mga benefits nito, in effect, meron kayong financial literacy. Alright? Hope na may na-learn kayo sa topic natin today. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.